Hello, friends. Today I want to talk about a few models, and this one is the first one, Babykin G700, and you know, and actually we have models like V2 Plus and others, and they use the similar motherboard, and the features are similar. And but why I want to introduce this one is that this one has not only the touch screen, you see the screen is touch, but also it has a keyboard, and it's much easier, I guess, for you to write short messages. Okay, and also this phone is very small and it's very stylish. You can see. You see, it's very nice. The main features of this phone is that it uh, uh, like multimedia function. It has audio player. It's a music player. You can play MP3 music, and also it has video player, and you can play 3GP and MP4 videos. See, let's try MP4 music video. Yes, this MP4 video. Also remember, similar to V2 Plus, this phone, it's you can shake to change the menus, sounds, and you know to turn over the pages, things like that. You can see. Let me test the changing wallpaper. You see, I change it to another wallpaper. Shake to change another wallpaper. Shake to change another wallpaper. Yes, and let's say the menu. We shake to turn over to another page. See, you see, another. You see, okay. So we are playing MP3 music, and now we change to another song. I can do it by only shaking the phones. See, another song, another song. Another song. Okay. Let's say the volume, and how big the volume it will be. Sound volume. That's the big. It's very big. Okay. Tone it down. Okay. You have camera. Yeah. This is the biggest image size can be 1280 plus 960. See here. Let's see the language we have. We have English, French, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, Dutch, Arabic. Yeah, this is okay. And also remember, this is a TV phone, and you can watch analog TV and also listen to FM radio. And if I put off the battery, you can see this one is also and the dual SIM. You can see we have two SIM cards inside. You can put two SIM cards, GSM SIM cards, and as long as, because it is a quad band, as long as you have GSM operators, this phone will work for you because it is quad band. Okay, and finally let's see the design again. Yeah, it's very good. And there's the accessories, like we have the stylus pen, battery, charger, USB cable, and earphone, user menu. Okay, that's for the Babykin G700. If you want details or buy this phone, please go to our website babykin.com or babykinshop.com. Thank you. Bye bye.